Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a head-to-head comparison, Jobber versus Servicetitan in 2025. If you run a field service business, whether it's HVAC, plumbing, landscaping, or cleaning, you have probably come across both of these software platforms. But which one is right for you? Stick around because in this next few minutes, I'll break down everything you need to know, including features, pricing, pros and cons, and who each one is best for. Quick overview. First, let's set the stage. Jobber is designed for small to mid-sized service businesses. It focuses on simplicity, affordability, and helping teams schedule, invoice, and manage clients with ease. Service Titan, on the other hand, is more of an enterprise-level solution. It is feature-rich, data-driven, and built for larger companies that need advanced reporting, integrations, and scalability. Features comparison. Now let's talk about features. Number one, we have scheduling and dispatching. Jobber offers drag and drop scheduling and an easy calendar view, perfect for small teams. Service Titan takes it further with advanced dispatching tools, GPS tracking, and AI powered scheduling. Invoicing and payments. Jobber makes invoicing super simple with automated reminders and client payment portals. Service Titan also has strong invoicing but integrates deeply with accounting systems like QuickBooks and has more robust payment processing, CRM, and customer management. Jobber keeps things basic but efficient, client history, notes, and follow-ups. Service Titan offers a full CRM with marketing automation, call tracking, and repetition management. Mobile apps. Both have mobile apps. Jobber is lightweight and easy to use. Service Titan's app is more complex but gives techs more on the job tools like upselling and capturing signatures. Pricing. Now, pricing is a big one. Jobber starts at around $69 per month and goes up depending on team size. It's affordable and very transparent. Service Titan doesn't publish pricing. You usually need a demo, but it is known to cost several $100s per month. Sometimes even over 300 to 500 per user. Definitely more of an investment. Pros and cons. Here are the key pros and cons. Jobber pros include affordable and easy to learn, great for small businesses, clean user interface. Jobber cons, limited advanced features, reporting is basic. And when talking about Service Titan Pros, it's extremely powerful and customizable. It has advanced reporting and analytics. It's excellent for scaling large teams. Service Titan cons, expensive, steep learning curve, and can feel overwhelming for small teams. Which is better for you? So which one should you choose? If you are a small to mid-sized service business, like a cleaning company, landscaping team, or solo trades person, Jobber is probably the better fit. It's budget-friendly, simple, and gives you all the essentials. But if you are running a larger operation with dozens of techs, call centers, and multiple service areas, Service Titan will give you the advanced tools you need to grow and optimize. And that is the breakdown of Jobber versus Service Titan in 2025. Hopefully, this gives you clarity on which one fits your business best. If you found this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and do not forget to share this video with your friends. And see you in a new comparison or review video.